Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Anwar bin Burhan, contact number 2760029. I want to choose the topic about food. So what the food I choose is very interesting to me because the brand is the local, to show you guys about the food. This food actually seem like one brand almost famous in Malaysia. What the brand? Let's check it out.
Hi, now I at Muiz Hot Chicken style. Many people say this food same like KFC taste. Now I want try to buy and taste them. Let's go. The stall is located on Jalan Danau Kota Setapak, Kuala Lumpur. The stall is on the side of the road. It easy to find and a car park. However, Muiz Hot Chicken style, there are several more style around the Klang Valley. It has the concept of packaging food. Besides that, can make delivery order if you cannot buy it yourself through Grab Food and Panda Food application.
Okay, now after I already buy, so we let checking what is the interesting about this food. Okay, now this the box like the international brand, good for packaging. Malaysia ayam goreng Muiz, very nice. So we're checking this chicken and together with sauce, spicy sauce. What the menu I choose? The Korean cheese chicken fries, like this. This is like KFC. Good portion, good taste, and like tasty.
There are several menus provided such as original, spicy and the latest Korean spicy. Very reasonable price. I bought a set of 2 pieces of chicken which is RM 30 ringgit including tax. Now I want try this sauce, very spicy, good smell. And then I want try some of this spicy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This food for me very nice, suitable for all general. This food not more oily, crunch and enjoy then you eat. Very recommended. Last but not least, my conclusion, this food very recommended all you guys. You can try yourself and give the good rating. Support the local brand to make this brand the biggest in the world. Thank you for listening my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Hi, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to you all. My name is Muhammad Azhar bin Zakaria. My matric number 276068. Today I want to review Kelantan food. Let's go now. Hidayah and Taman Melayu Serayugol. Now I already at restaurant Kak Dayah. Today I want to review most popular dish in Kelantan. It is nasi kerabu and nasi dagang. I choose one of the most popular restaurant at Wangsa Melawati called Nasi Kerabu Kak Dayah, located 22 Jalan Wangsa Setiafor, Wangsa Melawati, Wangsa Maju, Kuala Lumpur. This restaurant provide varieties of traditional Malay breakfast such as nasi kerabu, nasi dagang, nasi lemak, laksa, and add all here. Okay, let's try the nasi kerabu. Look, very delicious. The nasi kerabu combined with a lot of the meat vegetable such as cabbage, tauge, and carrot. We'll also have keropok ikan, chicken fries, and salted egg. Let's try. You need mix together veggie and sauce. So yummy. The taste very delicious. You can taste the main ingredients is budu, original Kelantan. The second dish is nasi dagang. This nasi dagang consists of rice steam in coconut milk, fish curry, and extra ingredients such as pickled cucumber and carrot. Nasi dagang is light and delicious. You should try this both of nasi kerabu and nasi dagang at this restaurant. I very recommended and price reasonable. Thank you.